regret the rest of my life just to please you and be with you. With one chance and love inside, will I regret the rest of my life because I need to be with you? I've wondered for days on end whether it be lovers or just old friends, until I see you and hold you. I could dream of us together forever, or pass us by in stormy weather. Don't know what to say or what to